Your crush is gonna love this. Love it. Now, okay, so these are the supplies that you're gonna need to be able to recreate the hot Cheeto bouquet that I showed you at the beginning of this video. 1, you're gonna need hot Cheetos. If you don't have hot Cheetos, I guess you could still make the bouquet fiery for your, Valentine, but the hot Cheetos are, like, hello, the biggest part of a bouquet. You're gonna need flowers. You have 2 options. You can use real flowers or you can use fake flowers. Either one of them is cute. Do something that is in your budget. When I went to the Dollar Tree yesterday, I had less than $10 to get everything that I needed, and I did. I got hot Cheetos, ribbon, fake flowers, crazy straws, this ribbon paper. It's like this translucent wrapping paper to wrap the flowers in, and that was it. I had tape and scissors at home, and I bought these flowers from Kelly Wholesale in Carlsbad. Now, I highly recommend, if you are doing fresh flower bouquets, that you make it the day before so they're fresh, because unless you have room in your refrigerator, I do not see them lasting very well. So I got these. They were basically all bloomed for the purpose of this video, because I want them to be bloomed and beautiful. So that's why they look so open, but usually they're little closed, almost like the fake ones right here, but they're still pretty open. All right, so let's do it. The first thing that I did was I cut a pretty good strip, about 20 inches or so, across, because that's what I'm going to be wrapping our flowers in. As you can see right here. That's just going to go on the side right now because we do not need it. So I'm going to go ahead and start with taping the hot Cheeto bags onto the straws. I got the wider crazy straws because I could have got regular straws, but the wider, the easier it's gonna hold versus it being too thin and it's like gonna flip flop. Okay, so let's do it. I'm gonna go with the same aesthetic, so I'm gonna take out the green, the blue, and the purple. Now with flowers, you want to clean them up if they are wilted or anything like that. These just have green because it's part of them, but I am gonna go ahead and clean it up a little bit. You also have to be careful with thorns because they are natural flowers and all that. Some of them will have thorns. This one didn't have thorns, but I've seen a bunch of thorns. Most of the time they are, kind of cut. Sometimes they're not. If you're gonna want a really full bouquet, I would recommend leaving the green. If you're not gonna want a really full bouquet, I would recommend taking. So your rose is looking, it smells so good. Beautiful. You wanna just clean them up, make them as tidy as you can. If you do see thorns on them, I do recommend taking them off because, if you're giving this to your crush, I don't want your crush to get, poked. Once you clean off your roses, you're gonna want to position your roses how you think you want them to look like. And then that's how you want it to look like and you're happy, then you're okay to tie it up. So you're going to be adding hot Cheetos, but you also want to make sure that it's how you want it before you get ready to do anything else. Okay, so I'm happy with the way that it works. If you could see, I did 1, 2, 3, kind of like that, and then I did 1, 2, 3 again like that on the top. So I'm gonna grab my roses and set them on the top right there, and I'm gonna get my transparent paper. So before again putting these down, you also want to get a feel for how you want them to look. I always put it on the corner like this because it looks cleaner just in general, and it's easier for you to fold the ends over. So you're gonna get your one side of the paper and you're gonna tuck it underneath the other side. I'm gonna pull a little bit. Then you're gonna grab the other side of that said paper. You're gonna wrap it over and you're gonna cinch it. This is where your ribbon's gonna go. We're gonna be adding the hot Cheetos last, but I will show you. This side, you could go ahead and grab it. And even bend it over a little bit. You're still gonna cinch it right here. When you cut your ribbon, cut it at an angle so it looks more professional. XOXO ribbon. Cover girl. No, gossip girl. So pull a little bit tight, not too tight to like suffocate them, but tight enough that they're not gonna move. Just like that. Now for the fun part. With your tape, and after bending it over or folding this over a little bit, you can even fold it on the inside, and that's probably what I'm gonna do. You can make it a little bit more open. I'm gonna grab a little bit of tape just to make sure that this end is secure. I don't wanna get, I don't want it to fall apart. And the tape that I am using is just transparent tape from Target. It doesn't have a weird like color to it. It's literally just clear. Okay, now we're gonna add the hot Cheetos. With the hot Cheetos and the straw, it's gonna help you. The straw is basically helping you insert the hot Cheetos where you want them to go. So I'm gonna lift this wire right here gently and insert the bag of the hot Cheetos. If I want it to be super secure, I'm gonna use tape. So the way that I do it, I just make a little rolly cue like that. Get the chip bag and tape that right where it's gonna be in the bouquet. Grab my other bag of hot Cheetos. I'm gonna insert that right here. Remember, don't like shove it in there because the roses have feelings too. Be a little bit gentle, and then just, there we go. I'm thinking. And I'm going to go tape and grab it on the other side as well. crush is gonna love